Hello, this is Bobby Miles with TexasSkidSteer.com showing you a Caterpillar 226 that we have for sale. I want to take a walk around the machine and let you just take a good look at it. Notice it's got a really good set of tires on the machine. It's a nice clean machine, has not been repainted, all original. You notice it does have the auxiliary hydraulics for running all of your attachments. It's got a nice clean seat in it, does not have any tears or rips in it. Has joystick hand controls, real easy to use. Just left hand, you just point it where you want to go and that's where you go, and the right hand works the boom and the bucket. It's got a foot throttle as well as a manual throttle, which is very nice to have. I'm going to turn the camera over and demonstrate the machine for you so you can see for yourself how good running machine that it really is. Just a real good solid running machine, real easy to operate, joystick hand controls, has a foot throttle as well as a manual throttle, auxiliary hydraulics to run all of your attachments. Just another good quality machine that we have for sale here at TexasSkidSteer.com. We appreciate you watching.